What is your letter, Rajrita? What is it? T. What is your letter? R. And what is that? What is this? T. Okay, it is T. Hold properly, Mama. Hold. What is your letter? Q. Very nice. And what is your letter? Oh, very good. What do you have? What do you have? S. And what do you have? U. And your? Show it. Show it. Show them. Very good. Now what is this? What is this? Which letter do you have? D. And which? C. Oh, what is this? G. Very nice. And what is your letter? I. What is your letter? F. Yes. Mercy will stand first. Oh. Then who will come? D. E is there? E. 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 No. F. F. Who has it? Come. Yes. Then who will come? Who will come? Who will come? After F. এদিকে After I, what is there? J. Is there any J? J? No. H? Is there any H? H? No. I? Is there any I? Is there any I? Yes. I, J, J, K, K, K. No. K, no. L, L, L. Is there any L? No. M, M, N, O, O. Come, move. Q, Q. V, then, V, then. Q, then? Who has R? R, then? S. After S, what is there? After S? T. S, T. S, T. T. Where is T? Come. S, T, then? U. Yes. S, T, U, then? Come. Yeah. W नहीं है. So, say your letter. Where will you stand? Go. Now, if I give you this, where will you stand? Go. Huh? There. Where? No. F and then E. F and then E. Yes. Now it is alphabetical right order. If I give this to you, where will you stand? If I give this, what is this? Where to stand?
See where to stand.
Very good. Well done. Now where will you stand?
Now can we sing a song? Yes.